So majority people, they love their ideas and they start executing it, and in the process they waste a lot of time, and then they consume lot much resources. Sometimes their friends' resources, their family resources, and everything, and then they will end up with a failure. Okay. So first of all, you must have a proper mentor, and second thing, you need to be in a learning situation. And majority people nowadays I'm listening, it's like arrogance, lot of arrogance. They don't listen to the other people's opinion. If something is opposite to them, they are not in a position to listen. How many of you have a favorite parties? Like a TRS, Congress, BJP. Any favorite party? No? BJP, Congress? So if a guy is coming and telling about Rahul Gandhi, the BJP person, what he will do? Either it is a fact or lie, we don't mind, we will fight, right? The BJP party guy will fight for that. So the similar way, the opposite also, right?